Make sure I record this up. What is it? If you rest, give me problem now. False start.
False start. Alright, what I say? $50 on white shirt.
Alright, I put my.
You have PMP, you have to go on the.
Then naturally, you tip me out.
Alright.
Me tip me out.
Alright.
Me tip me out.
Money there, white shirt.
White shirt. Where you say? Candy, where you say?
It's social distancing my money.
Alright, white shirt, $50 on white shirt.
Come. Which 50 you think
5 bills? Alright.
What 50 I can buy?
Alright, it's in my pocket. You're a poor boy, man.
Virgin. Socialist donkey was saying 5 bills.
Socialist, alright?
Yeah.
White shirt, 5 bills. Sasha?
Thank you. I can't get out of the black today.
Prosperity donkey win this. Boy, little boy, they can't manage the donkey, man.
So, that's how you want to start from?
A thief in donkey. I must PMP shirt to my wear.
Basically. Want them fast start again.
Have a look around. Sasha, I have a little tool thing there on the door.
Donkey stubborn boy. And that's where you want to start from?
Seriously?
It's the last race, you know, so a little bit of anticipation and
We hope it's the last race.
Eh? Money stand up, man. One kid, they might have come slow out of the blocks, you know what the Jeep I can pick up.
White shirt, I got bullying, man.
you can't lose the money. No, white shirt. Which orange?
Yeah, man, I'm best man. It's socialist donkey at this area. Yeah, man, he could have win, man.
I should be collecting some money.
Yo.